Alright guys, today's a new day. Got the bike back up on the lift. We got Tommy working on it. He wanted to help me out getting the cables put in it. So he's in the process of taking the back seat out. We're going to get the seat out. We're going to get the tank off. At least tank moved back. I don't think we have to take it completely off. And then we're also going to replace this cable here. And that don't look right down there. I'm going to have to see how it's supposed to look. But something tells me there's supposed to be a washer or something right down the base here. But here we go. Starting our adventure today. Alright everybody, I'm back. So's the bike. Here we go. Alrighty, so between the two bikes I had a full set of, let's go to this side. Between the two bikes I had a full set of grips and levers. But put a brand new brake cable in there, put a brand new clutch cable. Got the clutch cable down here. Now you might notice the bike is turned around on the lift from where it was earlier. It's because I already took it off and tested it out. And I think my clutch plates are welded to, or rusted together. Because there is plenty of movement in the clutch, but there is no clutch. It just simply clutch in, clutch out, and it still pulls the bike forward. So, we're going to take it back down and we're going to try to free up that clutch and see what happens. If not, like you seen earlier, I bought the discs. So, let's find out. Alright guys, hey, I'm back. Yeah, no luck freeing up the clutch. I wasn't able to get somebody to hold the camera to watch what I was doing, but really easy. I could push start the bike and then just get up and go, and it shifts through. It's a 4-speed, so it shifts through all 4 gears just fine. The transmission is good. Everything seems fine along those lines. But the clutch, no clutch. Tried the adjustments, no luck. So what I tried to do, I knew it was probably rust. The plates and the friction material were probably rusted together. So I went up to a post. I put the front wheel on the post. I held the clutch in. I revved up the bike really good. Just jammed it in first gear. And hopefully the torque from that would break the rust free. All they did was spun the back tire. Wow, I'm doing good today. So did that 3 or 4 times, no joy. It wasn't happening. So we're back up on the bench and let's take a look and see what we got going on here. All right, there's the oil. Give you an idea. This is what the second oil change looked like yesterday. It's that frothy white. There was still a lot of water inside. In fact, when I first cracked the case open, I did get a little bit of water coming out of it. In fact, there's the inside of the case. That's nasty. So that's going to get a good cleaning before I put it back on. But it took me a little while to get the outer plate off the clutch. And it doesn't look bad. There's a couple spots you can see right here where it was rusted. Then here's the plates. Here's the clutch plate. Oh, and would you look at that? That steel should be nice, shiny, and flat. And what we got is a bunch of rust. So these are separated now. I actually separated them with the screwdriver. Once I got in, yeah, they were stuck really good. So I don't even think I would have had a good clutch. Oh, those ones are still stuck together. I don't think anything would have been good even if I had have freed it up. So it's good that we were in here. Let's see what the last one. Alrighty, there's the last one. And that plate there looks like I'm going to have to clean it up a little bit. Probably with some emery cloth or something. Shine it back up and we'll see what happens. I've sprayed some Berryman's brake cleaner in there to get that all cleared up. I'm going to have to get some more oil and yep, you see it is. It's not bad though for 10 years sitting in the back and just sitting there collecting water and deteriorating away. Alrighty guys, well, let me get some stuff cleaned up and I'll bring you back in just a minute. Alright guys, there she is all cleaned up. Looking much better. Looks nasty. Looks good. Yeah, you get the idea. That's still dirty. But I ran out of this So we're off to the store to get some more of that. Some of that before it gets dirty. And we'll see about getting this thing together today. Got all the parts right here to go back into there. Clean the oil filter out. This thing was absolutely disgusting. Got the basket here nice and cleaned up, or the cage, whatever one this one is. I don't care at the moment. And I got that one cleaned up. They're looking good. They're ready to go back in. Had to take the skid plate off. No big deal. Alrighty, we're off to the store. Alrighty guys, we're back from the store. Still looks clean, still looks crappy. Oh hey, look, that looks clean now. Alrighty, we got some more juice, and cleaned it all up, we got some oil. We're gonna put this thing together. Alrighty, stay tuned. We'll be back. Alrighty, here we go. We got the clutch back together, we got the gasket on, we got everything ready to go. This went together pretty easy. I know a lot of you guys will say I need to soak the clutch discs in oil prior to putting them in. For a dirt bike like this, 80cc dirt bike, it ain't going to make that much difference in the life of the clutch. It really isn't. So we're just putting it in dry simply because I don't want to waste a quart of oil or two just to soak the pads when they're going to be sitting and soaking anyway in the oil. So we got that there cleaned up. I was just doing some final cleaning on the little clutch arm. It's lying around here somewhere. There it is right there. We're just getting some final cleaning done, and then we're going to put it together. I'll see you back in just a minute. Alright, bike's off the stand. I've already checked the clutch for whether it works when the transmission's in gear. We are good to go. I don't know if it's adjusted right yet, but we're going to find out. I got myself a handy dandy little cameraman here, so he is going to take over the camera, and we are going to see if I can ride this thing for the first time. Alright guys, there we go. We have a working, legitimate bike now. $15 for the purchase of the bike, $30 if you include the other one, and maybe another $150 worth of parts, and we are rolling. Like, comment, subscribe. You guys know what to do. Thank you much. Alright everybody, we're going to actually, Tommy wanted to take a spin on it, so we're going to watch him get geared up here, and he's going to see about taking it out for a quick little jog up down the street like I did. We're about to lose our daylight, so it looks like we finished this just in time. That's good, Tom. It's good? Yeah, it's good. Push the clutch in. It's not in neutral.
Oh.
There, now you're in neutral. we go. It works. So what do you think? Like it?
I was a little nervous. It didn't have much of a front brake.
We got to still adjust things.
But yeah, it's pretty good.
Alrighty guys. Let me know what you think. You know what to do.